Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively extract the disk from your HP Dragonfly. First, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, remove the screws located at the bottom panel of the laptop using the Phillips head screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws you might have missed. With the bottom panel removed, locate the disk drive. It is usually situated near the center of the laptop. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a can of compressed air. This will help maintain the internal components and ensure better airflow. Next, disconnect the disk drive from the motherboard. This usually involves unscrewing a bracket or removing a connector. If you have trouble, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Once you have disconnected the disk, gently lift it out of the compartment. Be cautious and avoid touching any other components inside the laptop. If you don't have the tools required for this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service ensures you don't have to worry about transportation. After extracting the disk, it's a good idea to inspect it for any visible damage. If you find any issues, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. This way, you can make informed decisions about the next steps. To reassemble your HP Dragonfly, simply reverse the steps. Align the disk back into its compartment, reconnect it to the motherboard, and secure it with screws. Then, place the bottom panel back on, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Finally, reinsert all screws to complete the assembly. Now that you have successfully extracted the disk, it's essential to test the laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Power it on and check if it boots up properly. If you encounter any problems, remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you remotely to troubleshoot any issues you may face. By following these steps, you can effectively extract the disk from your HP Dragonfly. Regular maintenance and cleaning can extend the life of your device, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.